Asbestos. Don't risk moving it. Asbestos is found in many domestic and industrial buildings. Left alone, it's generally okay where it is. If you find asbestos, play safe. Don't disturb it, as it is dangerous for your health. Problems start when asbestos material is disturbed. The dust and fine particles are dangerous. They can get caught in your lungs. Don't risk your health. Leave asbestos alone. Call expert asbestos removalists. Dumping of asbestos is illegal with court fines of up to $240,000. If you have information about the time of dumping and vehicle rego, please report it. Dumping is dangerous and expensive. It must be cleaned up by specialist contractors as soon as possible. Don't let dumpers get away with it. Phone council and report it.